On today's episode, we are going to be making a crochet bag using these scented garbage bags, these vanilla scented bags, and we are going to be making a crochet bag out of them. I bought 6 of these, and hopefully this should be enough. So I want to see how thick it is before proceeding on what to do. Proceed it this way, and I can do this. Okay, let me try it out and see how it feels, then we'll know how to proceed. So let's start off by making our chains. Oh, this is thick. This is thick. I'm just going to make a couple of chains. I just started making my chains now, as you can see. And we just made our first single crochet. I just completed our second single crochet. Made our last single crochet. So at the end of the first row, this is what we have, and this is where I have my joined trash bag here. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 chains or 8 single crochets. So I'm just going to chain 1, turn, and we'll continue working our single crochets down the row. So this is what we have so far. And this is what we have so far. And this is really thick and feeling a bit heavy. So this is what we have so far. We're on our third trash bag, and this is what we already have. It is thick, it is heavy, it is strong. I think this will be my last row of single crochet. So I think when I get here, then we'll finish up the bag. So this is the end of our row, and this is what we have after a couple of rows. So I'm going to end here, and we're going to finish up our purse or our bag here. So this is what we have. So I'm going to close it up this way and then do a small handle this way, like for a shoulder bag. So we'll have something like this when we're done. So I'm just going to close up this side using this, and close up this side as well, most likely using this. I think this should be enough. I'm done with the first side, and this is what we have. This is how it looks. I'm going to close this side now. But first off, let's finish up this side and make sure we have no loose ends. Now for the second side, this side. I think this might be short, but we'll make it work. So far, this is what we have. So we are done closing up the two sides. This is what we have now. This is what we have. So I'm just going to go ahead and we'll make the handle for this bag. So to do that, I'll be using the fifth garbage bag or the fifth trash bag. So for the handle, I'm going to be working around of single crochets. I'm going to be doing 2 single crochets all the way to this side. I think 2 should be enough. Let me start one more. Okay, I could make it 3 single crochets. Let's see how that looks. Maybe it might look different than what I'm envisioning. Okay, so we have 3 single crochets for the handle, and the handle is looking a bit chunky, but I think I'm liking it. Okay, let's work with that. So I'm just going to continue making single crochets for the handles and keep on working it. I'll work a couple of rows up until this side. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And it looks really chunky, but I think I'll continue working with that. So this is what our handle is looking like so far. This is what we have. So far this is what we have, and I think I would like it to be a bit longer, but hopefully we have enough trash bag yarn. But let's see. So at the end of our 6th trash bag, this is what we have so far for the handle. We have this. So we'll need more trash bags to complete it this way. I used to have something like this. Hey guys, so I just got back from the store, and unfortunately I couldn't find like the exact color of trash bag we were using. This is what we were using, but the color I could find was this, but that's not a problem. We'll finish up our trash bag with this one. So I got like 3, so hopefully these 3 should be enough, because we just have like our handle to finish and this bag should be complete. So I have my new yarn here, and this is what I'll use to complete our bag. So I'm just going to join it to this one and continue from where we stopped. So I'm just going to make a few more rows and then we'll continue. So I've added a couple more rows, and this is what I have. And now I think I'll stop here, because when I put this way, this is how the bag looks and it fits well on the shoulders right now. So I think I'm just going to end it here and we'll finish up our bag here. So to do that, So far, this is what our bag is looking like. I just attached the handle to this side. This is what we have, and this is what we have. So I'm just going to finish this up, and our bag is done. So we're finally done, and this is what our final trash bag looks like. And I think it looks good, and it fits good as well. So if you like this video and you would like to see more, please like the video, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.